Namaste. Today, let's talk about something we all experience in often but generally overlook it. Just excuse me, please. Yes, this is a reflex called sneezing. Did you know that according to Ayurveda, suppressing a sneeze can have harmful effects on the health? According to Ayurveda, sneezing is seen as a natural reflex that helps clear toxins, dust, and irritants from the nasal passages. When you suppress such urges, you are forcing these impurities back into your system again, which can always disturb the balance of the doshas, whether it is vata or kapha. This can lead to complications like headaches, sinuses, throat infections, and eye strain. Think about it, my dear friends. Our body is designed to protect us, and sneezing is one of those protective mechanisms. Therefore, Ayurveda advises us to respect these natural urges as they are a part of body's way to maintain the harmony. Next time you feel that a sneeze urge is out on the way, don't hold it back. Just let your body free to do its job, because small changes like these can have a greater impact on well-being and on health. So, my dear friends, if you find these tips to be useful, kindly follow us for living in balance with Ayurveda. Stay healthy and stay natural. Namaste.